Don't say I don't know. Instead, say I know.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Don't say I have got to go. Instead, say I gotta go.
I go.
I gotta go. I gotta go. Okay.
Don't say how much is this. Instead, say what's the damage.
What's the damage?
What's the damage?
What's the damage?
What's the damage?
Don't say help. Instead, say I need a hand.
Need a hand? Need a hand? Need a hand? Need a hand?
Don't say I'm not sure. Instead, say I'm on the fence.
I'm on the fence here.
Where are you on the fence?
I'm on the fence. I'm on the fence here.
Where are you on the fence?
I'm on the fence.
Don't say I'm hungry. Instead, say I could eat a horse.
I could eat a horse. I could eat a horse.
Don't say good luck. Instead, say break a leg.
Oh, break a leg. Oh, break a leg.
Don't say sorry. Instead, say my bad.
My bad.
My bad.
My bad.
My bad.
Don't say thank you. Instead, say I appreciate.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Don't say I'm going to do it. Instead, say I'ma do it.
Do it.
I'ma do it.
Don't say how did you do it. Instead, say how'd you do it.
How'd you do it, Bart?
You do it.
Don't say water. Instead, say water.
Water.
Don't say Santa Claus. Instead, say Saint Nick.
Old Saint Nick.
Saint Nick, we meet again.
Don't say celebrate. Instead, say turn up.